In this video, we will learn how to associate a post to a pricing group and also how to manually create a subscription. We're going to associate this sample article to Group 1. That means that users who have bought subscription to Group 1 will have access to this content. By heading to Subscriptions and Add New, you can find the post, one of the user logins, and set a duration for this manually created subscription. Let's look at how the restricted content appears in the front end. This sample article has 99 items, but as you can see, the item 55 is the last one to appear in the restricted article. Below that, the Activate Subscription panel.
And this concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.